Good morning guys, I just want to show you my new light Click. This light is amazing. It packs a lot of features like auto sensor brake light, and it can act as a anti-theft alarm. If somebody tries to mess your bike, it can give you alert on your mobile app. And it packs a lot of features like it has 1000 mAh battery, and it's 20 hours on a longer run, and in full brightness it can run up to 3 hours, and it is 90 lumens, so which is pretty bright in daytime and nighttime, evening, morning, whenever you want to ride. So, and also you have features like eco mode to save some battery, auto sleep to switch off the lights when you are not able to switch off manually, anti-theft alarm, let's say you have parked your bike somewhere and if it detects any sudden motion, it gives you theft alert. Oh my god, that's amazing, man. Alright, let me switch it off. Okay, and also you can switch on the modes, various modes, through the mobile app, which gives you a little bit of ease. If you are starting your ride, you can put it to desired mode. Let's say I use this stable mode for auto brake light. So, and if I go to busy traffic area, I just switch on the first mode, which is pretty noticeable and bright, and second mode is constant glow, fourth mode which is slow glow, kind of pulsate. I think I have just edited the first mode. I'll show you how to edit the glow pattern. So group sync is switch off right now. If you want to ride with a group, you can switch on the group sync, which is a cool feature also. And so this is how right now the first one is in blink and it's pretty harsh right now. I'll put it to glow, and middle one also I'll put to glow. So you see, that's easy to modify the pattern according to your needs. And this app is amazing. It complements your light and makes my riding pretty easy. Like, I don't have to every time duck down and change the mode in my light. If I am sitting on a bike and I want to go in busy area, I just switch on this first mode, or maybe second mode, fourth mode, any mode apart from the auto brake. This is auto brake, and boom, that's how easy it is. Alright, cool, thanks man. Be safe, keep riding.